Top 7 YouTube channels for free and quality education in 2024. YouTube, a hub for high-quality education, offers a plethora of informative channels. These platforms cover a wide range of subjects, providing a free and enriching learning experience. Number 1. CrashCourse. CrashCourse stands out for its fast-paced and engaging content. This channel covers a vast spectrum of subjects, making complex concepts accessible and enjoyable. Number 2. Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers comprehensive tutorials and personalized learning. Their unique interactive approach ensures understanding, adapting to individual learning pace. Number 3. TED-Ed. TED-Ed brings animation into education. This platform is known for its diverse subjects and engaging narratives, inspiring critical thinking among its viewers. Number 4. Vsauce. Vsauce invites you to delve into the realms of science and philosophy. This channel puts forth compelling narratives that stimulate curiosity and expand intellectual horizons. Number 5. MIT OpenCourseWare. MIT OpenCourseWare provides unfettered access to course materials from numerous subjects, fostering a global community of learners. Number 6. Coursera. Coursera, a versatile platform, offers courses from top universities and institutions. This digital ecosystem makes education accessible, empowering individuals to explore new horizons. Number 7. Smarter Every Day. Smarter Every Day excels in presenting scientific discovery, providing an intellectual sanctuary for those eager to understand the world better.